What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have so much going on right now, but tonight we are gonna focus in here. As you guys saw in that last video, we got the old tub out, and here's the new one. I have it up on its side. We're gonna go ahead and get all the plumbing ready for right here and here, and then we're gonna start messing with some of the water line fittings. I had to put 2 new ball valves on. I didn't film it because it's kind of nerve-wracking shutting down the water and putting those on. But if you look down in there, you can see I have to connect to that old pipe right there. So let me go get those fittings and we'll get started putting it together here. Alright guys, so I'm back here trying to hook up all this plumbing. I basically had to put a bunch of extensions on this P-trap, and I'm just snugging it in there right now. So I got a Fernco, it's got to go to that galvanized or cast iron pipe. So I'm gonna keep going here, and it's hard for me to film because there's literally no room here, so I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, night 1, completing the bathroom. I've got it mostly locked in around the edges. I had to put some shims over there, the shim back there, and one over here. I have the valve all put together. It's ready for the pipe. I'm gonna use a combination of PEX and copper. Got the tub overflow. Push toe, drain. So here's this side. I've got everything pretty much just snugged up in there. I need to tighten that Fernco tomorrow. Get you down there. Gotta tighten that Fernco up and then I can start working on this water. Gotta mount that valve up here somewhere. Oh, we should be in business. Alright, so we're working still. Put this next one in?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
That's okay. You almost ripped through it though.
What's actually so crazy is to see what's behind and under the shower. Because now I'm like questioning every shower. What's behind it and under it. What Milwaukee do you recommend?
Gen 2, Gen 3 fuel.
Wait.
My gloves are crap.
Is it?
Alright guys, so after a bunch of fussing around, I finally got all this stuff plumbed out. I tested the water, I didn't see any leaks. There's my spout up there. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up, let's get this faceplate on, and let's turn the water on again for you guys. Alright, we're gonna test the water, see what happens. Alright, there it goes. Go check the other side. Check in here for leaks. forgot about that. How good does that look, guys? That's gonna look awesome. Looks so good. I'm gonna go put that top piece on up there real quick and then just roughly put it in to see the water come down. Wanted to check back here and see if there's any leaks coming down from up top, the connection, or this one. Everything still looks dry. Let's cross our fingers.